blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Now we high, high, high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes, eyes, eyes. What I thought was LSD, LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy, Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes, recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. We had some faith, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
Took you back home, undress us slow, undress us slow. Lay you down here, we both let it go. No time for questions and no time for thoughts, time for thoughts. No time for talking and no time for more. Now let's rewind and do it all slower. Time for you to fall all over. We've been on this shit for a while and know, cause you couldn't name another one than me though. So you wanna stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, cause you can't let go. So you stay with me, stay with me, cause you can't get enough. Stay with me, stay with me, cause you can't let go. You wanted to leave, babe, that's okay, babe, that's okay. But I can't blame you that you wanna stay, wanna stay. Desire running through your veins. You wrap your hands around my head, hoping this shit won't never change. Now let's rewind and do it all slower. Time for you to fall all over. We've been on this shit for a while now. Cause you couldn't name another one than me though. So you wanna stay with me. Stay with me. With me. Stay with me. Cause you can't let go. So you stay with me. Stay with me. Cause you can't get enough. Stay with me. Stay with me. Cause you can't let go.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Kid through the valley, we walk through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Kid through the valley, we walk through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. Ooh, yeah, move up, yeah. You kicked out my feet, perfect love, yeah. Darkness and shadows gon' fall in the battle. I think your kingdom is come, yeah. I cannot run, yeah. Surrender, you fill up my cup, yeah. The reason to strive, yeah. You look me in the eye, I've been your son, yeah. I thought that I was going out my mind. I was lost, but then you came and saved my life. I had nothing, then you came and made it right. I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Kid through the valley, we walk through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient.
When I walk in the valley, yeah, yeah, you're there with me, yeah, yeah. Letting go worries, letting go doubt, letting go fears, yeah. My weakness strong when it's in your strength. Pride is gone, better catch my breath. Gotta give it all hands on deck. You done it before, so do it again. Cause I will beat you the most. Cause I know you got me so that's all she wrote. Cause you are the one I am trusting. I'ma give it all to you. No.
I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never planned. Kid through the valley, we walk through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never planned. I know that you work every trial. Feel good if I stay and be patient. Brought me right through the valley and stand on the mountaintop. No more reason to doubt, cause your love is a fountain drop. Now I won't be scared if I'm gonna make it out or not. Now I won't be scared if I'm gonna make it out or not. Now I won't be scared if I'm gonna make it out or not.
Looks like I'm on time. Just put the spirit in my words and watch the song fly. Jesus save me, I just came to lift him on high. You took my penalty when I was living offside, and now I'm in your kingdom, things been looking all bright. I put the truth inside the music so they get the message. I guess somebody gotta do it when the tunes are septic. Me and the team, we came to eat, we cooked the food and blessed it. No weapon form shall stand, just do like Ralph and wreck it. I ain't take the class, I clept it. I'm on a vibe, I checked it. They said to watch your step, but I've been up in heaven. No time for playing games, cause I know I can't play it safe with my ambition in the way. I try to keep it separate. I'm thinking less about getting money just to buy some clothes. I'm thinking less about building names that everybody knows. I'm thinking less about walking stages, playing sold out shows. I'm thinking everything we see that glitters isn't gold.
What else could I do but give my life to you? When I don't understand it, God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. You're a good, good God, you never fail me, no. Gotta keep my hands to the ceiling, knowing I could barely scratch the surface of how good you really been. The man I am is just a testament that you withstand. Turn your could to can, chug a choo-choo. Waddy Piper, God, with you I can. Got me marveled in your grace, you can call me Stan. Lift my praise high like a banner or a flag. Cause you my captain, you protect me from attacks. The greatest avenger, my protector, you are my dad. Closer than I know, you've never left me outmatched. Yet that's who you'll be until the end of time. Captivated by your glory, got me hypnotized. God, you by me by my bedside every night. With me when the sun's shining and it hits my eyes. No, you ain't tripping through any trials, so I should die. Remind my soul when it's down that you El Shaddai.
I know I ain't a victim and I ain't evicted. I win before the battle started cause I'm with the victor. He never leaves and now I know, so my perspective lifted. In every season or the storm, now my perspective shifted. I can't deny we gotta shine, we steady with the mission. I know that we can change the world, the Father's children gifted. Most of the folks I know been out here trying to play the system, but what was lost can't be recovered just by chasing riches. I learned to give your life for money really isn't a trade up. I seen God keep lights on without seeing a pay stub. Society tells us to lie about getting our cake up. I learned you might be called to do the thing you've been afraid of. The most beautiful part's my wife ain't involved any makeup. And growth means wanting discomfort more than wanting to stay stuck. We're sons and daughters of the King, we've been born from the same blood. And I know life is best designed when we're lifting his name up.
What else could I do but give my life to you when I don't understand it? God, you always keep me standing. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me. Oh, you've been so good to me. God, you've been so good to me.
You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. You've been so good to me. I know you enemy. I had to lose my life to find the one you handed me. Don't need the vanity. Yeah, I just want your love.
Keep me standing.
Feeling hot, posing. She's in the spot, shout is super cold, frozen. G's in the spot, put your nigga up, toast it. G's in the spot, put your nigga up, toast it. We winning. We winning. You ready? Get ready.
Have you failed like I failed? They don't wanna see me doing well, so I raise hell on a base scale, making bake sales in a Cape Hell. Either sling rocks or blaze shells, chasing money on a paper trail. Either do it straight or pull a cape of hell. I'm just trying to figure out how the vapor smell. Shit, I've been in the bottom and I've been in it all. It may look like I'm failing, but I'm winning it all. If I gotta reach the top and I'm willing to brawl, to get up, dog, you really gotta be willing to fall. Stand on your own and kick it with those dudes, but they don't understand the shit that you go through. They don't understand the way that you gotta move, and they don't understand cause they ain't been through it.
I'm in the spot, still feeling hot, posing. She's in the spot, shout is super cold, frozen. G's in the spot, put your nigga up, toast it. G's in the spot, put your nigga up, toast it. We winning. We winning. Get ready. Get ready.
Have you failed like I failed? Suckers pulling on my coattail. Switched it up from a dope sale to a rap scale out the trap hell. Been up nights with my mental broken. Women hoping I'ma pull up on them, but my only focus is to get off corners. Get this dough and then level up on them. Been at the bottom for a long time. Been doing the rap, been a long grind. Been chopping it up, man, I'm on mine. Let it all keep moving like I'm online. Shit, gotta get a couple meals like this in the field where they never keep it real like this. Yeah, they hustle, but they never seen a pill like this. When you on this shit, it really feel like